What's up, plant enthusiasts? Ready to level up your orchid game? In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets to making your orchids thrive like never before. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in and give those roots the love they deserve. My orchid has not been cared for a long time. Wilted leaves can make your plant more susceptible to diseases and hinder its growth. We'll trim off all the rotten roots. Removing the damaged roots helps prevent the spread of disease and allows the healthy. This leaf has been crushed for too long. Next, we'll remove the moss at the bottom. By the way, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'm excited to hear from you. And if you're running into any orchid care issues, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's grow and learn together. Don't forget to rinse your orchid with clean water before applying the solution. What do you think is most important for an orchid to stay healthy? Light, water, or nutrients? Type 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Today, we'll be using a small cup of soybeans. They are rich in nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals that can help boost the health and growth of your plants. Soak it for 20 minutes. Next, we'll use 3 cloves of garlic. Slice it out. Garlic is great for orchids because it has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. Pouring 500 milliliters water. Soak it for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll place the soaked soybeans into the blender. This will help break them down and release all the beneficial nutrients. Filter the solution through rails. The leftover soybean pulp can be used as a natural fertilizer for your orchid. Dilute the juice with 1,000 milliliters of clean water. Filter the garlic solution through rails. Stir the solution. We'll use the garlic water to gently wipe down the orchid. If you could choose just one tip to rescue a weak orchid, what would it be? Let's share our best tips and tricks. Combine with garlic solution. Let's just let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Soaking it for 20 minutes. We'll wipe down the orchid once more. Next, we'll use cinnamon powder to dry out the wounds on the plant. Cinnamon has natural antifungal properties, which will help prevent infections and promote faster healing for the orchid's damaged areas. Now it's time to plant the orchid. The leftover solution can be used to care for other plants. We can also wipe the leaves of the orchid and other plants. This helps remove dust, pests, and any excess moisture, while allowing the plant to absorb more light and stay healthier. We can transfer the solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the plants. Remember, we should only apply this solution twice a week. Overwatering can stress the plant, so it's best to stick to this routine for the healthiest growth. After just 6 weeks, with this simple method, my orchid is thriving. The leaves are lush, green, and plump, a clear sign of its health and vitality. The new roots are sprouting beautifully, fresh and green, reaching out with energy and vitality. They're thick and firm, stretching in all directions, clearly searching for nourishment and moisture. And that brings us to the end of today's orchid care session. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant care tips and tricks. Watching your orchid come back to life with just a few simple steps is truly magical, right? Let's keep learning, growing, and sharing together. Your green thumb journey is just getting started. See you in the next video, and until then, happy growing.